Hello everyone. Today we were discussing about the hyperbola, one of the conic section. So first, let's define what is a hyperbola. A hyperbola is a set of points P, quantity of x, y in the plane such that is the difference of the distance from P to fixed point F1 and F2 or a foci is a constant. For a hyperbola, d is equal to absolute value of p sub 1 minus pf sub 2, where d is the constant difference. You can use the distance formula to the different equation of the hyperbola. The standard of the equation of the hyperbola depends on whether the hyperbola's transverse axis is horizontal or vertical. As you can see, so in the photo, it is in the left side it is a horizontal, and the right side is the vertical. So the value of a, b, c are related to the equation. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Also note that length of the transverse axis is 2a and the length of the conjugate is 2b. So this is the standard form of the equation of the hyperbola if the center is 0, 0. In transverse axis, horizontal and vertical. So in the equation, in the horizontal, x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. So in the vertical, so they switch the x and the y. So y squared is equal to a over a squared minus x squared over b squared is equal to 1. Vertices, so a 0, then negative a, so positive negative a 0. Then in the vertical, they switch again. 0 positive negative 0 positive negative a. So then the foci c, as you can see in the table, you can identify what it is. As with circles and ellipse, hyperbolas do not be centered at the origin. So this is the standard form of the hyperbola if the center is not in the origin or a 0, 0 at the center. So transverse axis, horizontal and vertical. So the equation is x minus quantity of x minus h squared over a squared minus quantity of y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. In vertical axis, so they switch again. The first is the y and the second is the b, as you can see. And the vertices, not like in the previous one that 0 and positive negative a or a negative positive 0 and so on. So it not the same. So this is the standard equation of the hyperbola. So hyperbola extra info. The following PowerPoint slides are contained of the information with the reminders, the lesson, objectives, and the standard forms of the graph. And the graph of the hyperbola is identified the center of the surface and the